guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a cable hole. If you want to purchase some of the tools or materials that we use for this project, please check out the links in the description below. And also please feel free to check out my tool store. The links are also in the description below. Let's do this. This is the cable hole, and as you can see it goes all the way through to the outside. Right, the materials and tools of choice is some Gyprock Easy Fill 60, a caulking gun, silicone any colour because you're not going to see it, a cork board, filling knife, some 80 grit sandpaper and a dust brush. Just to remind you that Decorators caulk and silicone are two different things. What I'm doing now is squirting a load of silicone into the hole. I don't leave the silicone proud though, I leave it sunk in about 5mm, so it's acting as a good backing for the filler, and also it's going to stop any water creeping in. I have also put some silicone on the outside in the hole as well, but I left a nice bit of room so the builder can get plenty of mortar in there to properly seal it up from the outside as well. What we're going to fill it with is this Gyprock Easy Fill 60. As you can see there, it's a nice thick mix. If you would like to know how to mix Gyprock Easy Fill 60, please click on the card on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you will tell where I filled because I'm basically filling on wallpaper as well. So we're not after perfection, we're just after trying to get it good, solid as possible. Remember, when you're filling, the rule is the cleaner you fill, the less it is to sand down. This is the hole and the filler dried ready for sanding. And this is the filler sanded and painted. And that, guys, is how you fix a cable hole. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care.